It's legal.
Obed, right? Obed. Yes, happy to talk with you. Obed, have you seen a lawyer before?
No. Today is my first time meeting one.
Oh, I didn't tell you I'm a lawyer yet. Anyway, I told you, yeah. So, I mean, you have met a lawyer today.
Yes.
But you see, I'm not wearing some wig and gown and things
Nah.
like you see on the TV. But anyway, we also have those things we wear. Normally, we are going to the court to wear it. But on the normal, we are normal human beings, actually. Okay, so this is one. Eh?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, I have a quick question for you. We're asking everyone the same question. Do you have perceptions about lawyers?
The only perception I have is that usually they end up defending people even when they find out that they are actually doing the wrong thing.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
that is a serious one. So you think that lawyers defend people who are guilty of a crime, who they know are guilty?
Yes, please.
Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so which other one do you know? Which other perception do you know about?
Also, maybe they are more interested in the person's money,
Hey.
the money they can get from the person, maybe after defending the person or something.
Mhm.
Yeah, because it comes with a cost.
Yeah.
Usually, when people, there are sometimes people who are innocent, but since they don't have the money,
They
they
cannot
end up
afford a
not
lawyer.
afford the help of lawyers. Yeah.
That's sad. My heart is broken. Like it's sad, but you know, I mean, the money part. I think it applies to so many people as well. Sometimes doctors or nurses or engineers, I mean, are also motivated by the money they will get for doing the thing. So it's not surprising that lawyers oftentimes do the same thing. When the money is involved, they are motivated to do more, and they want to defend, go all out, and get the person not guilty, so that their pay will come true. I mean, there are ethical rules as to the extent to which they can go in charging and all of that. But I mean, it's a fair observation, no problem. But about the guilty one, you see, let's say it is you, Obed, who has been accused wrongly, and the whole world is producing evidence to show that you've done it. The whole world is saying you are guilty, but you yourself, you know that
I know.
you are not guilty. That one you asked me to defend you.
Yes.
Okay. But what you don't want is you knowing that you've done it and saying that, I mean, I've done it. Even they are not finding the evidence to trace that you've done it, but I should go and say that you are guilty. I should not be fighting and say, hey, he's not done it, let's free him. You know, I should not do all of those.
Actually, my perception, me, I'm a believer.
Okay.
I'm a believer, and I feel that what is right should be done.
Okay.
Honesty in the presence of God and all those things matter. I know even though physically, if I'm found guilty in the end, I might be arrested or fined or
Sent
something.
to prison and all of
Sent
that.
to prison or something. But I feel the right thing should be done.
Should be done. Okay. I mean, we still have people like Obed in Ghana, so we are good to go. But see, what is important for me to explain by way of education is that sometimes people are arrested, and this is the procedure. The police arrest you, then they charge you for particular offense they think you've done based on the facts, based on what happened. So based on that fact, they will charge you and send to court. They will send it to the court, and the law says that they should prove that you are guilty. So whether or not you are guilty only comes in at the end of the case. So even if the victim, the one whose item you've stolen, have actually seen you taking the item, when they come and arrest you, the law says that when you go to court, you can come and say, I am guilty, and the judge will just go ahead and send you to prison. Or if you say you're not guilty, then the police have a duty to ensure that they prove you guilty, even though they saw you taking the item. You see how it is?
Yes.
Why do you think it's so? Do you think it's a fair system to allow people, no matter whether they are seen committing a crime, whether they have video recording or not, they should still be proven guilty? Even if they are not admitting that they are guilty, they should prove them guilty. Do you think it's a fair system?
It's actually not fair.
Okay.
But it's actually a bit complicated.
Okay, yeah,
It's actually
it's maybe complicated
because maybe the judges were not there, or the judge was not
they
there when,
always not there.
yeah, when the crime was perpetrated or something. But in the end, I think it's not a fair thing.
It's not a fair thing.
Yeah.
Okay. People often take advantage of that system as well. They can frame you up and let you be the one who, and assume you are the one who committed the crime, even though you've not done it. They'll bring all the evidence that show you've done it. That's another scenario. So sometimes to avoid people being framed up for offenses they've not committed, There's a reason that the police are put an obligation to show that they prove whatever it is they have alleged that you committed. Yeah. So when it goes to court, it's not always about. Sometimes it's not always about the truth. It's about what is proved. But the truth may be there, but they have not proved it. What they prove is what the judge will accept. Because, like you said, the judge was not there. Would you want to become a lawyer one day? Or you the radiography now? I think I need to introduce you to the whole world as the radiography in the making.
Thank you.
Radiography. What do you guys do? What is it about?
Radiography is actually about using medical imaging techniques. Okay.
Medical imaging techniques, like
most basically X-rays.
X-rays, okay.
X-rays to be able to view the internal organs or the internal of a patient. So
okay.
Radiographers actually assist. Sometimes they assist doctors that we call radiologists.
Okay.
So when they are able to scan and detect maybe problems that are inside, or take what we call radiograph. The radiograph is the end image that we take after scanning.
Okay.
So it can later be sent to the doctor, who is the radiologist, and he will be able to use it to assist in diagnosing the patient.
Wow, I see. That's nice. I mean, I hope to see you as a great radiologist. Don't jackpot when you are done. Don't leave the country. You are not sure. Okay, thank you so much, Obed. All the best. Nice day. All right. Okay, bye. So that was Obed. Frank opinion and very honest views about issues of law and lawyers, especially the criminal system. People have concerns about it and the work of lawyers. So they think lawyers are bad because you are going to defend a guy who they've all seen committing a crime. But you just want the state to prove that he's committed it. That is all. But, I mean, Obed's opinion. Thank you.
Make it legal.